Hello students, this is Maestro Elvis, and this is the pre-kindergarten Dolch sight words, part 3 of 4 lesson. Suggestions for learning. Define each word using an English dictionary, such as dictionary.com. English learners, please translate each word and sentence in your language via translate.google.com. Review each video a minimum of 2 to 3 times and try to read each word along with the audio. Here is a complete list of all the pre-kindergarten Dolch sight words, with the words for this lesson in bold. Let's say them all together. Let's pronounce them all together. A, and, away, big, blue, can, come, down, find, for, funny, go, help, here, I, in, is, it, jump, little, look, make, me, my, not, one, play, read, run, said, see, the, 3, 2, up, we, where, yellow, and you. The words for this lesson's list is as follows. Here we have look, make, me, my, not, one, play, read, run, and said. For those of you who are English learners, here are some sample translations via Google Translate. We have the words translated in Spanish, Portuguese, Italian, Romanian, and French, the 5 Romance languages based on Latin. And the words again in English are look, make, me, my, not, one, play, read, run, and said. And if your primary language is not one of the 5 Romance languages listed here, I strongly encourage you to use the Google Translate, translate.google.com website, and translate these words into your primary language. And now we begin with our lesson. Here's our first word, look. Repeat after me, look. Look at that car. How do I look? Did you look at that picture? Look. Make. Repeat after me. Make. I want to make this work. Make. He will make a new toy. You make eye contact. Make. The next word is me. Repeat after me. Me. Give me your money. She saw me at the store. Bring me The dog. Me. The next word is my. My son is a college student. He met my friends. She knows my address. My. The next word is not. Repeat after me. Not. Do not forget to brush your teeth. I am not scared. She will not go to the school tomorrow. Let me say it again. She will not go to school tomorrow. Not. Next word is one. Repeat after me. One. I have one child. He is the number one soccer player. Number two follows number one. Next word is play. Repeat after me. Play. She likes to play tennis. Let's go to the Shakespeare play. We need to play with others. Play. The next word is red. She received red roses. He wore a red shirt. The red car was stopped. Red. The next word is run. Repeat after me. Run. They run at the park. He needs to run faster. She must run to catch the bus. Run. And here we have our last word, which is said. Repeat after me. Said. He said to slow down. Maria said she was sorry. I said something funny. Said. Okay, students, so this was the Pre-K Dolch Sight Words Part 3 of 4 lesson. I encourage you to review this lesson 2 or 3 times and make sure you define each word, and if you're an English learner, to translate each word and every sentence so that you improve your comprehension. Also, pronouncing along with the audio of this video helps you improve your pronunciation. So make sure you say it out loud, you pronounce out loud. After you study this lesson for 2 or 3 times at least, you will take the Pre-Kindergarten Dolch Sight Words Part 3 of 4 quiz, and I expect you to score at least 7 out of 10 correct, at least. So do your best, work hard, and good luck.